How to remotely file a protective order in Winnebago County, Illinois. This video provides information on how to use the online filing system for orders of protection, stalking no-contact orders, and civil no-contact orders in Winnebago County. What type of order do I need? Order of protection. To qualify for an order of protection, the person filing the order, called the petitioner, needs to have a domestic relationship with the person they want protection from, called the respondent. Examples of this type of relationship include being married or formerly married, dating, former dating partners, having a child together, being family members, such as a parent, child, or sibling, being roommates or former roommates, or the respondent is your caregiver. Stalking no-contact order. To qualify for a stalking no-contact order, the person filing the order cannot be related to, or have a dating or marital relationship with the person they want protection from. A pattern of stalking and/or intimidation involving two or more such incidents must be present. Civil no-contact order. A civil no-contact order can be requested by a person who is the victim of sexual assault or abuse, or any person on behalf of a child, or disabled or elderly adult who has been the victim of sexual assault or abuse. Other requirements. Recent incident of abuse or threatening behavior. Abuse can be physical or sexual, grabbing, pushing, hitting, kicking, choking, forcing you to do things you do not want to do, verbal or harassing, threats to hurt you, repeated phone calls or text messages, stalking, following you, or other similar behaviors. These are some of the things that the judge may look for when reviewing your request for a protective order. The respondent has a history of abuse toward you or other people. The respondent has done something abusive, physical, verbal, harassing, or stalking. The abuse is getting worse, or you think the abuse would get worse if the respondent knew you were trying to get an order of protection. If you are not sure whether what happened to you is abuse, you may want to contact an advocate or a lawyer. 24-hour advocacy is available through Remedies Renewing Lives by calling 815-962-6102. Other requirements. Location. To file a protective order in Winnebago County, one of the following criteria must be met. The person filing the order, the petitioner, lives in Winnebago County. The person the order is against, the respondent, lives in Winnebago County. The abuse/incident occurred in Winnebago County. The petitioner has fled to Winnebago County for safety. To begin the online process of filing a petition for a protective order remotely, go to illinoisprotectionorder.org. You can visit this website from any device with internet access. Once at the website, you will see the below screen. You are ready to begin. To begin the process of preparing the order of protection, first select the county you are filing in. Select Winnebago County from the drop-down menu circled in red. After you select Winnebago County, you will next select the type of order you are filing. Order of protection. Stalking no-contact order. Civil no-contact order. For more information on what order to file, please see the previous slide titled "What type of order do I need?" For this example, an order of protection is being filed in Winnebago County. Winnebago County is selected from the drop-down menu. On the following page, click Start here next to Order of Protection. You will then be prompted to begin entering your information. Enter your legal name here. Enter your date of birth here. Check the box next to I am requesting an emergency order of protection and click Start. Select Continue. If you are starting a new petition, select the box that says New Petition. If you are returning to continue a petition you saved, enter your red receipt number here, and click Continue Petition. In this example, a new petition is being filed. When you begin a new petition, you will be provided with a red receipt number. Please write this number down so you will be able to reference it later. You will be asked for this number by the clerk and will need this number if you want to save your petition and return to it later. To continue with the process of filing your petition, select Continue. You will now begin the process of entering the information that is needed to create a petition for a protective order. Follow the prompts throughout the program to enter the information that is requested. Press the Next button to move forward. At any time you can save and exit the program and return later by pressing the Save and Exit button. If you have questions about the information that is requested or what an item means, click on the question marks labeled Help throughout the program for definitions and further information. Once you finish entering all required information, you will be taken to this page. Take note of your receipt number and write it down if you did not do so before. You are able to preview the petition for the order by selecting the Preview button. When you are ready to submit your petition for a protective order, click the I'm Done button. Once you click this button, you will be routed to the Start page again. You have completed the online process of submitting your request, or petition, for your protective order. You do not have an active order of protection. You must call the Circuit Clerk's office at 815-319-4500 to continue and finalize the process of filing your order. Next steps to complete filing your request for a protective order. Call the Winnebago County Circuit Clerk's office at 815-319-4500. The clerk will ask you for the red receipt number you wrote down when you prepared your order. The clerk will ask you for a safe and reliable number that will be used for a judge to contact you. The clerk will provide you with a time frame for you to expect a call from the judge. When the judge contacts you, they may ask questions to determine whether or not to grant your request for a protective order. If you do not answer the phone, your request for a protective order may be dismissed. The judge will contact you by phone and will place you under oath over the phone. The judge may ask you questions about the paperwork you filed or for more information about the abuse outlined in your paperwork. The judge will inform you if your request for a protective order was granted or denied. If granted, you will be required to attend court in person in approximately 21 days. The judge will inform you of your next court date. You can either pick up your paperwork from the circuit clerk's office, or you can elect to have them mailed to you. The sheriff will serve the person the order is against, the respondent, with any necessary paperwork. If you need assistance with filing this petition, or want to talk with someone about your options, one of these local or national agencies may be able to assist you. Please call the listed number or visit the agency website.